Good afternoon, children. In our previous period, we studied about alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means we arrange the words according to alphabets. That means the alphabet that comes first, that word will come first. We have to look the first letter of the word. So whichever word is having the alphabet that comes first will be first. Suppose here we are given bear, dog, cat, horse. Here, in all these words, look at the first letter of each word. Here, bear, it starts with B. Dog starts with D. Cat starts with C. Horse starts with H. Now, which letter comes first? B comes first or D comes first? B will come first. Okay. So, you will write the first word bear. After B, what comes? D comes or C comes? C comes. So, after B, cat. And after C, what comes? D. So, the dog. You will write, it will be the next word. And after that, H. Because any other word is not there. So, we will write this one last. H is the last word. Similarly, you have to write these words. Okay. Now, we'll take next page. Page number 35. Sentences and questions. What are sentences, children? Sentences are group of words. Okay, group of words that makes meaning. Okay, a group of word is arranged in such a way that it makes a meaning. Okay, now what is question? Question is something when you want to know something that you don't know. You want to have information about something. Okay, see here. A sentence is a group of words that tells us a complete thought. That means it gives a full meaning. It has a meaning. For example, Arun wanted to make her smile. Here the sentence is complete. You know that Arun wanted her to smile. So, he wanted to make her smile. Now, he took out something from his bag. Now you understood that this sentence is complete as it tells you that he means Arun. Arun took out something from his pocket. That sentence is complete and you understand the meaning of it. Now, what is question? A question is a sentence that asks for information. That means there is something that you don't know and you are asking the other people or other person. Okay. For example, are you feeling okay? That means you don't know whether you are okay or not. So the question is asked, are you feeling okay? Is your little brother okay? The person who is asking, he doesn't know whether your brother is okay or not. So he is asking, is your little brother okay? Now, children, if a question starts with are, is, do or does, the answer is usually yes or no. We ask question how, when, where, what, is, are, all these. We start the question with these words. Which words? How are you? What are you doing? What is your name? Where are you going? Is your brother okay? Are you feeling fine? Okay, all these are questions. Now, if the question starts with are, is, do or does, the answer is usually what? Answer is yes or no. Let's see some example. Here it is your little brother okay? So answer will be yes, my little brother is okay. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I am feeling okay. Or no, I am not feeling okay. So if the question starts with are, remember this, are, is, do, does, your answer will start with yes or no only. Okay. Now put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Here some words are given but they are not arranged. You have to arrange these words to make it a sentence and that has a meaning. Okay. Gave I her pot a. Does it make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. So now what you are going to do? You have to arrange these words in order that it makes sense. Gave I her pot a. No. We will make it as I gave her a pot. I gave her a pot. Now it's making a sense. Okay, it's a complete sentence. Similarly, is friend a good sarla? This is also not making sense. Now, what will be the correct sentence? Sarla is a good friend. Third one, fly birds the sky the in. The birds fly in the sky. Okay. Tiger wants to, he, she, a. He wants to see a tiger. Okay. So these words are arranged to make a sentence. Now, B part, write questions for the answers. Answers are given. Now you have to make question. Remember, I told you when answer is in yes or no, how you will make questions? With is or are. Is, are, do, does. Okay. Now, yes, he is angry. What will be your question? Is he angry? Now, if the in answer you are having is, your question will start with is. Now, next. No, I don't play cricket. Here, don't is coming. So, your question will start with do. Do you play cricket? Third one. Yes, they are friends. Here, are is coming. So, your question will start with are. Are they friends? No, they are not dancing. So, your question will be, are they dancing? Okay, so children, you have to practice to make questions. Okay. Children, now let's see what is pronoun. Pronoun means the words that are used in place of noun are called pronoun. Now read the following sentence from the story. Shanti and Arun were best friends. Shanti and Arun had a lot of fun together. Shanti and Arun shared secrets in class. Shanti and Arun ran race on their way home. In these sentences, you find that Shanti and Arun, Shanti and Arun, Shanti and Arun, again and again, these nouns are repeated. So, it doesn't sound good to us. Okay. So, what we will do is we will replace these nouns with pronouns. The names Shanti and Arun are repeated in all sentences. It does not sound good. Now, read the next again. That means we will replace these Shanti and Arun noun with some other pronouns. Okay. Shanti and Arun were best friends. They had lot of fun together. This they comes for what? They comes for Shanti and Arun. Here Shanti and Arun had a lot of fun. No? For that Shanti and Arun we are using they. Had a lot of fun together. They shared secrets in class. Again for Shanti and Arun they is used. Okay. They ran races on their way home. Again Shanti and Arun ran races. For that Shanti and Arun we use they here. Okay. The nouns Shanti and Aruns have been replaced by they. So, words that replace nouns are called pronouns. Here are some pronouns. Other than they, here are some pronouns for single person. For one person, what are the pronouns that we use? I, you, he, she, it. That means when we are using these words, that means we are using it for single noun, one person. Okay. Now, we, they, you. These pronouns we use for more than one people. Okay. Now, let's see the singular pronoun. For example, I like listening to music. You like to play the piano. He is playing with a ball. She is a good singer. It is a beautiful house. So, here we are talking about only one thing. We like to play tennis. They like to dance. You will get a prize. All these we, they, you. When we here you is used for one person also and you is used for more than one also. Okay. So here we, they, you are pronoun. Here I, you, he, she, it is a pronoun. The pronoun it is used for animals and things. This it is used for what? It is used for animals and things. For example, I saw a monkey. It was eating bananas. Here it is used for whom? For what it is used? Monkey. Okay. Now, replace the noun with the pronoun I, you, she, he, we or they and rewrite the sentences. You have to now use these pronouns and rewrite the sentences. Rohan is flying a kite. Instead of Rohan, what we are going to write? He. Rohan is a noun, no? So, we are going to replace Rohan with he. He is flying a kite. Children like to play. Children is a noun. Then for children what we are going to use? They. They like to play. Children is not for one child. It is for more than one child. So children. For that we are using pronoun they. Grandfather wakes up early. Grandfather is single. So he. For grandfather what we are using? He wakes up early. Bottles are usually made of glass or plastic. Bottles it is more than one, so they are usually made of glass or plastic. Parul and Tina are going to school. Again two are there, so they are going to school. Okay children, now fill in the blanks with pronouns I, you, she, he, we or they. Toby is a cute cat. We read that for things and animals we use it. So what we are going to use here for this cat? It. It loves to drink milk. It is a pronoun. Okay. Now my friends and I love football. Here my friends. Not just one friend but more than one friend. So we play football every day here. Only here you will write we. This place will be vacant. You are not going to write anything here. Okay, we play football every day. Shana loves watermelon. Sana is a single girl. For Sana, what we are going to use? She. For Sana, she. Okay, she ate half of it. Where is Jagveer? Where is Jagveer? Is he in the class? He is a pronoun which is used for Jagveer. Okay. She is a pronoun which is used for Sana. Okay. Now, listen to a story and choose the correct word for each blank. The children went to play in the garden or park? Park. Okay. So you will write park here. The puppy was lying on a pile of grass or leaves. Usually we have pile of leaves. So you are going to write leaves here. The puppy was hungry or thirsty. When we will read the next sentence, we will come to know that puppy was hungry. The puppy was hungry. See here. Why I am writing hungry here? Sia bought milk and bread. When do we have bread? When we are hungry. So that's why I wrote puppy was hungry. Sia bought milk and bread for the puppy. Rohan got a warm blanket or sweater. Blanket for the puppy because puppies don't wear sweater. Now here children, work in pairs. Discuss the role, play the following situation. A new student has joined your class. How will you make him or her comfortable in school? You can talk about the following. Think of questions you would like to ask. The student's name, what he likes about your friend's family, favorite game, etc. Tell him or her about yourself, the school and teacher. Isn't it? When your new student comes to your class, you also ask so many questions to that child, and you also tell about yourself. What is your name and what games do you like? What are the subjects you like? All these things you discuss with your friend to make him comfortable. Now here, write about your best friend. Mention 2 or 3 things you like to do together. Here I have written some sentences. You can write whatever you want to write. Sentences of your choice. My best friend's name is Arun. Okay. He is 7 years old. When we are together, we like to play. We like to do cycling. We like to dance together. So, when I and my friend are together, we like to do all these things. Okay. You can write whatever you want to do with your friend. Understood, children? Now, children, you have to write these. Page number 35, A part, B part, and C, and 37, C part in your notebook. Okay. Hope you have understood. I will write what is your homework below this video. Then you can understand it better. Okay, children. Thank you.